Shut up!
One day, Pope Francis dies and comes to the pearly gates. God himself is picking him up and guides him to his very own cloud. God leaves. Francis has his own harp and uses his time to praise the Lord. After some hours, God shows up again, carrying a silver tray with a yogurt on it and a spoon. This repeats for some days. One evening, the clouds beneath break up, and he has a straight look into hell. He sees the devils making big fires and grilling half pigs, even half cows on the fire. Wine is served and everyone is feasting on an abundance of food. The next day, God comes again with a yogurt. Francis' curiosity gets the better of him, and he tells God what he saw and asks him, "Lord, in your omniscience, how can it be that they are feasting in hell and I am just getting yogurt?" God answers him, "Do you really expect me to cook just for the two of us?